Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your DOOGEE V Max. So let's start. You have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. Now add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Tap on the plus and choose the source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery, like this one for example, never mind, and click import. Now you can adjust the shape to the document and click the arrow. Choose a filter for your photo to make it more visible for the receiver, and you can add a signature tags and graffiti by these icons. Okay. Click accept icon if you're ready, choose the country of your release, type the number in this place. You can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, just click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, just get your free credits or buy it, click on this button, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.